Alright, in this video, I'm going to inspire you just to rise up from the ashes of narcissism and to ignite your resilience. You'll learn to break free and reclaim your power to explore your transformative path to recovery. So get ready, because here we go. Alright, so let's explore the realm of narcissism and recovery from narcissism, because on the other side of it, what you're going to find is this treasure trove of just true strength and power from within you. And what you can do is just like imagine yourself as this courageous warrior, and you're facing challenges as fierce as like a blazing inferno sometimes. And from this hellish place, you can imagine yourself just rising up from the ashes like a phoenix, like even stronger than you've ever been before. Like, see yourself just standing firm in the face of adversity. It's almost as if like you're just this powerful, mighty mountain, and all the chaos around you can't move you. By becoming a warrior of recovery, we find ways to just embody resilience, to building our spirits with just determination of just almost like a roaring river, carving out like a fresh path out of the depths of narcissistic wizardry, then back to our own lives. So if you find yourself, suffocating in a narcissistic relationship, it's time to break free and reclaim your power. Like being a bird, just escaping from the cage and just flying up into the sky. In recovery, what we do is we release all those twisted tales that were spun by a narcissist and step boldly into just the radiant light of truth and our authentic self. Because it's my belief that everyone that goes through this journey becomes a warrior. And deep within everyone's core lies this strength and resilience, one that comes from almost like mythical fairy tales. And through this process, you're going to become a force of nature, because within you possess the power to conquer any obstacle that dares to cross your path. Recovery from narcissism turns into like this mighty force that bends gracefully but never breaks during any storm. So you can grow up and around any tactic that a narcissist tries to impose on you. Recovery from narcissism is like a sleeping dragon just coiled within, gathering its fiery strength. And when it's ready to unleash this powerful transformation when it just finally wakes up. And that inner strength is within you right now. Your inner strength is going to guide you along this path of recovery and self-discovery. And by following your inner strength, you're pretty much following yourself in the direction that you want to go to, following your own North Star. And inside you right now, you possess the strength and willpower to just emerge victorious from any challenge. And it's akin to being a championship boxer that just steps into the ring for the final round. And remember that you're not alone in this battle. Recovery.com is here to stand by your side. And reach out and book an appointment. And let's awaken that power that you already have within you right now to take that bold first step towards just healing. Just visit recovery.com and let's embark on a transformative journey towards liberation. Thank you. Please like, follow, share, and I have a lot more videos on my social channels. So be sure to check those out.